Today I'm going to show you how to masking with channels in Photoshop. The first step is unlock the background layer. Then click on the adjustment layer icon, and open the solid color window. In the color picker, choose any color. Then click OK. Move the color fill layer, below layer 0. Select the top layer. To replace the sky, go to Window, and open your channel panel. Select the blue channel, go to Image, and open your duplicate window. Check the duplicate merged layers only. Then click OK. Go back to Image, Mode and choose CMYK color. Select the yellow channel. To duplicate channel, drag the yellow channel to the new channel icon. Then press ctrl+i to invert it. Go back to Image, Adjustments, and open your Levels window. I'll make the shadow input level 80. The highlight input level 220. Then click OK. Click the load channel selection. Click the foreground color, and choose the white. Then click OK. Press Alt-Delete multiple times to fill the selection with white. To remove selection, go to Select and choose the Deselect. Go back to the original image. Select the RGB channel. Then go to Layer Panel. Go to Select, and Load Selection. Under the document, select the duplicate document. In the channel below, select the yellow copy. Then click OK. When the selection loads, you can click the mask icon to remove the sky. Double-click on the fill layer's color swatch. In the color picker, you can choose whatever color you like. Or go to File, Place Embedded, and place the new sky. Click and drag top and bottom handles to resize the sky. Hit Enter or Return when you're finished. And this is the result.